I, Huzaiza Farheen, welcome you to Republic Tutorials. Get ready to expand your knowledge with this captivating study material. Hello everyone, in this video we will solve example 3 of similar triangles. The diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. We need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Let us understand the question first. So, in this question is talking about a quadrilateral ABCD. It is not specified that it is a trapezium or any other type of quadrilateral. It is just a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at O, right, as you can see in this figure, such that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. This condition is provided. Now, what we have to do? We have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So, let us solve this. First, let us write down the given data. What is given? It is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, and what else is given? It is given that AO by BO, this AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. And what we are expected to prove? That we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now, what is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral which has one pair of sides parallel. So, if we show that one pair of sides are parallel, we can prove that ABCD is a trapezium. So, for this we need to do some construction. What is that? Through this O, point O, we are drawing a line which is parallel to AB. How we are drawing this? In such a manner that it is parallel to AB, and this line also meets DA or AD at point X. So, this XO is drawn parallel to AB and it meets DA at X. Now, so if you look at the proof, since XO is parallel to AB, now let us consider the triangle DAB. We are considering the triangle DAB, and in this XO is parallel to AB. So, we can apply here basic proportionality theorem. By BPT, we can say that dx by XA is equals to DO by OB. Dx by XA is equals to DO by OB, because the sides will be proportional. Now, so we can, if we have a ratio which is equal to another ratio, here dx by XA is equals to DO by OB. In this case, the inverses of these ratios will also be equal. It means XA by dx, what did I do here? I just wrote the inverse of this one. Dx by XA was there, so I have written XA by dx. This will be equal to OB by DO. This property is called as invertendo. Invertendo. What does it mean? If you have, let me explain, if you have phi by x, or let us take ABCD. So, if you have A by B or A is to B, that is equals to C by D, then by invertendo we can say that B by A will be equal to D by C. This property is called as invertendo. So, using that, what did we do? Dx by XA is equals to DO by OB we got by BPT. So, applying invertendo, we have written the inverses of this. XA by dx is equals to OB by DO. Now, let us mark this as equation 1. But it is given that, as you can see here, AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. What is given? AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. AO by BO is equals to CO by DO is given. So, if we rearrange this, we can get this OB by DO. So, what can I do to this? I will bring this CO into the denominator by transposing it, and BO can be transposed to RHS to get it into the numerator. So, if you can see this, by rearranging we are getting AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. Let this be equation 2. As you can see, equation 1 and equation 2 we have on RHS OB or BO, both are same, right? So, OB by DO, here also we have OB or BO by DO, both are same. It means these two ratios are equal to OB by DO. It means from 1 and 2 we can say that XA by DX is equals to AO by CO. Now, let us move back to our picture or figure and let us check this. XA by DX is equals to AO by CO. So, these are actually from the triangle ACD. This, so if we take the triangle ACD, in ACD we got XA by DX is equals to AO by CO. So, we can apply here the inverse of BPT. What does the inverse of BPT say? If the ratios are equal, we can say that XO is parallel to CD. Because we got the ratios equal, this implies we can say that these two are parallel to each other. So, now we can say that XO is parallel to CD, but we have drawn XO in such a manner that it is parallel to AB. Now, we concluded that it is parallel to CD. XO is parallel to AB, we have constructed it in such a manner. Now, we got that XO is parallel to CD. So, we can say that CD is parallel to AB. Hence, this implies CD is parallel to AB. By the definition of trapezium, we can our quadrilateral is a trapezium if one pair of sides are parallel to each other. So, we got the sides CD parallel to AB. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Let us recapitulate it quickly. So, what is given? A quadrilateral is given and the condition is given that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. As you can see this from the picture, AO by OB is equals to CO by DO. Now, we have to prove that it is a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral which has one pair of sides parallel. So, for this we have done a construction through O in such a manner that XO is parallel to AB and this XO meets AD at X. So, we can apply the BPT to the triangle DAB. So, we get DX by XA is equals to DO by OB. We can write the reverse of ratios, these ratios which will be in turn equal to each other. So, this dx by xa can be written as xa by dx, that is equals to ob by do. From the given condition that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO, we can rearrange it to get AO by BO. What did we do? BO we have sent it to the other side and CO we have brought it here. So, AO by CO is equals to BO by DO. From the equations 1 and 2 which are both equal to OB by DO, so we can say that both the LHSs are equal. So, XA by DX is equals to AO by CO. This actually are from the triangle ACD. So, XA, look at this, XA by DX is equals to AO by CO. So, we can apply the inverse of BPT. What did we apply here? Inverse of BPT. Converse of BPT. That is, what did we do here? We have applied the converse of BPT, and now we can say that it is CD is parallel to XO, because this XO is parallel to AB and XO is parallel to CD. We can say that in turn this CD is parallel to AB. So, we got that one pair of sides are parallel in this quadrilateral, hence ABCD is a trapezium. In this question, which is the question number 8 of exercise 8.1, it is given that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and its diagonals bisect each other at O. We need to show that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. Let us understand the question first. So, we have a trapezium. In the earlier question, it was given that it is just a quadrilateral, but here it is given that it is a trapezium, which means one of the pairs of its sides is opposite sides are parallel. Here AB is parallel to CD. Because these are the diagonals and they are intersecting at O, we need to show that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. For solving this problem, we will use the concept of similarity, whereas in the previous question we have used the concept of basic proportionality theorem. So, let us write down what is given. It is given that ABCD is a trapezium, which means AB is parallel to CD or DC. Now, we need to prove that AO by BO is equals to CO by DO. So, let us prove that. Okay. So, from triangles, now we are taking the triangles, the two triangles we are considering, that is COD and AOB. From triangles COD and triangle AOB. These two angles are equal to each other because they are the vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. So, what is the name of those angles? Angle COD is equals to angle AOB. Why? Because these are vertically opposite angles. Then we know that AB is parallel to CD, right? AB is parallel to CD. So, what these angles are? These angles are actually interior alternate angles. If we consider AB as CD as parallel lines, then BD will act as a transversal and these two angles will be the interior alternate angles, that is angle CDO is equals to angle OBA. Why? Because these are interior alternate angles. Because the two angles of this triangle is equal to the two angles of triangle AOB, we can say that triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. Therefore, by angle similarity, we can say that triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. Now, because these two triangles are similar to each other, by similarity definition, the ratio of the corresponding sides should be equal. It means AO by CO will be equal to BO by DO. If we rearrange this and we bring this down and this transpose to the RHS, we will get AO by BO is equals to CO by DO, which is the required RTP.